Oh, honey, are you all right? Is there anything I can do?
It hurts so much. Sorry, we can't save the mother.
She's gone, little one. It's just you and me now.
Don't worry, I'll take care of her.
See you later, honey.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Smile for the camera, darling. We're a happy family.
Please, let me go.
Hurry up, clean the floor and wash dishes.
I miss my daughter. How is her? I want to talk with my daughter right now.
Can't talk right now. She is sleeping.
I miss you, Daddy. I really hope I get to see you tomorrow.